Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Shopify to recharge for subscriptions and recurring dropshipping, detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect Shopify to recharge for subscriptions and recurring dropshipping, start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the Shopify App Store to find the Recharge app. Search for Recharge in the App Store. Once found, click on the app and hit the Add App button. Follow the prompts to install Recharge on your Shopify store. Once installation is complete, you will be redirected to the Recharge setup page. Click the Get Started button to begin the initial configuration. You will need to create a Recharge account if you do not have one. Fill in the necessary information including your email address and password. After creating your account, log in to your Recharge dashboard. In the Recharge dashboard, click on the Settings tab. Here, configure your billing and subscription settings as needed. Set up the payment processing options under the Payments section. Integrate your payment gateway, ensuring it supports recurring billing. Next, navigate to the Products tab within the Recharge dashboard. Select the products you want to offer as subscriptions. Specify the subscription details including frequency, price, and terms. Now go to the Customize tab to modify your subscription widget. Decide how you want the subscription options to appear on your Shopify store. Once customization is complete, save your changes. Head back to your Shopify admin panel. In the Shopify admin, go to Online Store and then Themes. Click on the Actions drop-down next to your live theme and select Edit Code. Locate the product template file where you want the subscription options to appear. Insert the Recharge widget code provided in the Recharge dashboard. Save your changes to the product template file. Test your integration by navigating to your store front end. Add a subscription product to the cart and proceed to checkout. Verify that the subscription details are displayed correctly during checkout. Monitor your Recharge dashboard for any new subscription orders. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.